There is a 2026 timeline shift happening right now, and it can feel like you're sitting in an energetic waiting room between an old life that no longer fits you and a future that you just can't quite see yet. And if you're an empath or a sensitive soul, this 2026 timeline shift can leave you feeling intense fatigue, a total lack of motivation, or kind of even this strange feeling like you're completely lost, even though you've been consciously doing the work for many, many years. Then I want you to know that you're not sliding backwards into depression. You're just caught in a low visibility fog right now of this massive 2026 timeline shift. So in this video, I'm going to share the precise reasons behind this collective timeline shift and give you 3 brand new perspectives to help you navigate this low visibility energy fog, starting with the ghost town phenomenon, why you need to decouple from the false matrix of urgent productivity, and a practical somatic time-bending protocol to help you break the loop of timeline anxiety instantly. And if you want to stop judging your lack of productivity and finally learn how to work with this timeline upgrade instead of fighting against it, then you definitely want to stay for every second of this video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Jennifer, and I'm a compassionate and loving ascension guide. And I specialize in practical tools for empaths, sensitives, and spiritual seekers who are navigating deep spiritual awakening overwhelm right now. And my mission is to help you bridge that gap between high vibrational shifts and your real everyday physical life so that you can regulate your nervous system and keep stepping into your own sovereign power. But before we map out this timeline shift, and I want you just to take a second, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell. I release weekly videos filled with grounded, actionable guidance to support you through every stage of your ascension journey. Okay, so let's start by checking in with the collective right now. On a scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being completely energized and 10 feeling absolutely flatlined in bed, I want you to tell me, how heavy has your physical fatigue been over the last 2 weeks? And then I want you to go ahead and drop that number in the comments below. I want to see how many of us are actually holding the same frequency together. And I feel like once you get to see that, you'll realize that you're not the only one. Okay, now let's pull back the curtain on what a timeline shift actually does to a highly sensitive brain and body, and how to find your footing when the path ahead looks completely foggy. When we talk about a 2026 timeline shift, I know that sounds incredibly abstract, but as sensitives, we don't just think about energy, we actually feel it biologically. And right now, the collective is moving through a massive restructuring. So, old relationship dynamics, hidden shadow patterns, and outdated ways of working are purging from your systems. And when a timeline shifts, the internal frequency you're running changes rapidly. And this creates a state of low visibility, or what I like to refer to as the spiritual waiting room. And in this space, you might find that your analytical mind screams at you. It may be screaming that you are being lazy, or that you're unmotivated, or that you're losing your edge. But that's not what's actually really happening. The truth is that your sensitive nervous system is experiencing abstraction fatigue. It's taking an enormous amount of your own physical energy just to recalibrate to these spiritual upgrades. And I want you to know that you're not lazy. I want you to think of your system like it's just offline right now for an essential energetic software update. And as we go through this 2026 timeline shift, one of the major symptoms you may feel is what I call the ghost town phenomenon. This is where you notice your social circle, your digital community, and even your close friendships suddenly feel incredibly quiet. And I want you to know it's not that people are angry or upset with you. Rather, it's that everyone is being energetically pulled into their own private quarantine to process their own upgrades. And that is because when a timeline shift happens, there's a massive restructuring that's going on. Frequencies that used to match you perfectly, whether it's a job, a business strategy, or a long term friendship, can now suddenly feel completely empty. And when this happens, your analytical mind misinterprets this quiet space as isolation, separation, or even as failure. But spiritually, the universe has put you in a temporary acoustic buffer. It is clearing out the static noise of old dynamics so that when visibility returns, you are perfectly aligned with the souls and the opportunities that are meant for your next chapter. And I want you to trust the quiet, knowing that it's preparing you and not punishing you. And another area I would like to address with you is why your motivation has dropped to a zero. As highly sensitive people, we've been conditioned to use our empathic drive to overachieve, to overgive, and to force outcomes just to feel safe. And unfortunately, we plugged our nervous system into a false matrix that told us if I'm productive, then I'm safe. But the current 2026 frequencies are actively dismantling that old paradigm. This timeline shift is forcing you to completely decouple your self-worth from hyper-productivity. So when you do try to use old manifestation tricks or rigid goal setting or brute force right now, your body literally shuts down with intense physical fatigue. And that's because your sensitive nervous system is drawing a line in the sand. It is teaching you a brand new skill, which I call sovereign waiting, which means it is forcing you to learn how to rest without guilt so that when your energy is ready to move forward, you're doing it from inspired alignment instead of from the energy of panic, which is survival driven. And lastly, another major physical symptom you might experience during this time is spatial disorientation and vertigo. And that's because our mind is caught between two distinct timelines where you are feeling like time is moving incredibly fast, yet your days might feel entirely stagnant. And if you have been feeling like this, then I encourage you to use a practical grounding tool called the time bending protocol. And so when that panicky, frantic energy starts telling you that you are running out of time or that you're falling completely behind in your destiny, I want you to interrupt that loop physically. So the next time this happens, stop what you're doing, look at your hands, and then press your feet flat into the floor to anchor yourself into the physical room. And then I want you to take a slow breath in and a slow breath out. And I want you to mentally tell yourself, I am completely aligned with my destiny. I'm exactly where I need to be. And by forcing your hyperreactive brain to anchor into the absolute reality of this physical room and this exact moment, you are breaking the loop of timeline anxiety and immediately resetting your adrenal system. And now I want to hear from you. Which of these three areas clicked for you the most today? Was it recognizing the ghost town phenomenon in your life? Or did your body physically relax when we did the somatic time bending protocol? Let me know in the comments. And if you found comfort in this video, please share it with a sensitive friend who might be judging themselves for feeling unmotivated right now. And I want you to remember that your sensitivity is not a defect or a flaw that you need to cure. It's actually just a rare evolutionary superpower. But a high vibrational soul requires a well-tended, deeply grounded energetic body. And if you are tired of navigating these intense timeline transitions alone, and you're ready to clear deep emotional blocks, heal ancestral patterns, and fully step into your sovereign power, then I invite you to work with me one-to-one in my private spiritual mentoring program. Together, we'll create a tailored somatic blueprint to help you anchor your unique medicine into this world without crashing your nervous system. You can click in the description box below to apply for a private one-to-one consult with me today. And don't forget to subscribe for more real grounded tools for your ascension path. And with that, I want to thank you for spending your time and energy with me. And I'm sending you so much love from my heart to yours. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.